Welcome to another episode of I'm Just a Girl. And I could call a plumber, but I thought I would try to fix this on my own. So originally, what's been happening is this lever stays down, and so you have to lift it up to get it to stop running the water. And so what was happening is, it gets annoying after a while. So I decided to try to fix this today. And so I bought all the parts. First I went to Home Depot and I bought this. And then I thought, you know what, I should probably buy a genuine Kohler part. But my problem was I couldn't do this. You would think this would be really easy, but it's not. I can't get this off. And I know I need to go this direction, not this way, away from me, because it's opposite. They call it a left-hand screw, but this is a very hard place to get to. And I need shorter handles. How are you supposed to do this? So I think this is working. What I ended up doing is I took off the chain. It has like a little hook on there, and I was having trouble putting it back on. See, now it's working. I'm so happy. But you know what I did? I'm gonna make jewelry. So I took some stainless steel wire. I just cut some, and I just attached it through the little chain thing here. So this is the hook that goes on it normally. It's so hard to get it on there, and I'm like, why am I struggling? And I thought, you know what, the metal has got to be better than plastic. And so I thought maybe I just need to make it tighter, because for the life of me, I can't understand why it's not it wasn't, what's the word I want, weighing down to flush the toilet. So this is working. How crazy is that? It's just a little piece of wire. So you can see that's the thing that's supposed to go on here. But I just kind of tied it on there, and toilet flushes. And so see, I just made it shorter, because this is the thing that you're supposed to hook it on there. But for the life of me, I got it off, and then I couldn't get it back on. So it's working. I'm happy. I can return all this stuff now until next time, because this isn't broken. All the other videos I've watched, it's this plastic stuff, and then this doesn't last and it breaks. Mine's metal. So that's it for today's I'm Just a Girl. Sometimes it helps to be ignorant.